आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं राज्यसभा, जहां सदन की कार्यवाही शुरू हो चुकी है।
It led to a huge industrial controversy of the deliberating the creation of state government. Release of several films were put on hold thereafter, locking up hundreds of crores of investments. When the state is suffering from various problems, should the state government be worried about the prices of cinema tickets, fares, and that too, malicious intentions? But that is how Andhra Pradesh is being governed. On account of such vindictive attitude of the state government and the financial mismanagement, no new investments are coming of Andhra Pradesh. On the contrary, several units have moved out of to neighboring states. This has left the qualified youth of my state high and dry with regard to employment. A volcanic situation is prevailing in the state. Sir, while the legitimate business and industrial activities are being driven out of Andhra Pradesh, illegitimate enterprises is booming in the state. Sand and mining mafia is on the rise. My state has emerged as the drug hub in the country. Cultivation of ganja is rising and drug trade is flourishing. My party TDP has been campaigning against them. For doing so, the residence of the former Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu has been attacked, and also TDP office in broad daylight.
Mani Ravindra Kumar ji, on last day you had already spoken for 5 minutes. 2 minutes you have already taken. Please conclude now.
No, but that is 10 minutes is there.
At 3 we are concluding this debate.
No, on the other day I have given 10 minutes, my lord.
Only 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
No, our time is.
Please 2 minutes. Please.
Let me complete.
Please.
Let this.
No, not 15 minutes, sir. 5 minutes he had spoken. 2 minutes more.
He is taking my time. He is taking my time.
Nothing is going on record except your speech. Please.
Let them complete their
Please conclude. Otherwise, I will move to other speaker.
Let them
I can request all of them. Please confine yourself to your speech.
So
Please.
that even more disturbing that the CM has mirroring the state of affairs in the state of casino culture.
So Vijay Sai Reddy, your talk is not going on record.
Support those in power. In a convention center owned by a cabinet minister, whereas betting games were held for 2 days with hundreds of crores of changing hands, professionals were brought from Goa from handling
Please
such
conclude.
games and
Ravindra Kumar ji, I will move to other speaker now.
Alone,
Mani Ravindra Kumar ji, I will move to other speaker. I have no time today. I have to get this.
Yeah, I am speaking, sir.
Please, you have taken more than 8 minutes. You have taken.
Sir, you have already taken 2 minutes. They are taking.
I am not. I can request them. You please continue and conclude your speech.
Sir, I may permitted.
I cannot extend time. Time I do not make. Please conclude. Please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir, I am continuing, sir, but everybody is given time.
You have already taken 7-8 minutes. Please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir, it is.
You do not disturb. Please, Vijay Sai Reddy ji, please take your seat.
Sir,
आप conclude.
Sir, the YSRCP government has played a future of the people in the state matter capital for the resilient state of Andhra Pradesh. Now the present Chief Minister supporting Amravati capital as opposition leader, he floated the idea of 3 capitals, subsequently withdrew it. The shameful withdrawal and the acknowledgement of the state government illegality with 3 capitals huge from the election. On this occasion, with all responsibility, I venture the state of the floor of
Mr. Ravindra Kumar ji, please conclude. Now I am inviting other speaker.
Has already spent 10,000
I am inviting other speaker. Please, your time is already over.
The mindset of the ruling party, the leadership in the state.
Srimati Seema Dwivedi. Ravindra Kumar ji, Srimati Seema Dwivedi.
Sir, time
No. You have taken more than allocated time.
Please, no. Given 10 times.
I cannot give. Please.
And at 10 times, sir.
You speak. Your time will be up. माननीय शासकगण, आज 3 बजे बहस का समापन होना है. Kindly time के बारे में कोऑपरेट करें. Otherwise, I have no alternative than to invite. और कृपया दूसरे के भाषण में हस्तक्षेप न करें. Please.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, आपने राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया. मैं आपके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने इतने महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु पर मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया. मान्यवर, मैं इस अभिभाषण को बहुत ध्यान से मैंने पढ़ा, बहुत गौर से पढ़ा, और इतना बड़ा हमारा देश है और इतनी बड़ी देश में इतनी बड़ी बड़ी प्रांतों की अपनी अपनी विभिन्न समस्याएं हैं, लेकिन हमारी इस सरकार ने जिस तरह से इस अभिभाषण को बनाया है कि हर प्रांतों का ख्याल रखा है, हर प्रांतों की अपनी अलग अलग समस्याएं हैं। हर समस्याओं को ध्यान में रख करके इस अभिभाषण को तैयार करने का काम किया गया है। महोदय, मैं आपसे बताना चाहती हूं कि जब कोरोना वैश्विक बीमारी आई थी, पूरा विश्व करा रहा था, तो भारत भी उसमें अछूता नहीं था। हमने बहुत सारे अपनों को खोया, हमारे बहुत सारे लोग हमसे दूर चल करके चले गए, लेकिन ऐसे समय में भी हमारी सरकार ने जिस बहादुरी का परिचय दे करके कोरोना का वैक्सीकरण का करने का काम किया, महोदय मुझे बताते हुए खुशी हो रही है कि भारत देश विश्व के अन्य देशों की तुलना में बड़े देश के रूप में भारत अग्रणी रूप से काम करके कोरोना की वैक्सीन को बनाया ही नहीं मान्यवर, बल्कि वसुधैव कुटुंबकम को ध्यान में रखते हुए दूसरे देशों में भी वैक्सीन भेजने का काम किया। और महोदय मुझे कहने में खुशी हो रही है, हमको कहने में खुशी हो रही कि 1500 करोड़ से ज्यादा वैक्सीन हमने लगवाया। लेकिन महोदय बड़े दुख का विषय है, जहां एक तरफ पूरी दुनिया त्राई कर रही थी, जहां हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री एकदम से 24 घंटे रात दिन काम करके वैक्सीन के बारे में चिंता कर रहे थे, वहीं पे मेरे सामने बैठे हुए विपक्ष के लोगों ने ऐसे समय में भी राजनीति करने का काम किया जब लोगों की जान पे आफत आई पड़ी थी। इन्होंने अफवाह उड़ाई कि वैक्सीन नकली है, वैक्सीन फर्जी है, वैक्सीन न लगवाइए। तरह तरह का अफवाह उड़ाने का भी इन लोगों ने उस कोरोना के समय में काम किया था मान्यवर। इसको कभी देश की जनता माफ नहीं कर सकती। महोदय, मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमारा देश विश्व के अग्रणी देशों में भी बना है।